Gamer setup. Absolute gamer setup.
Next level.
Next level.
Go around there, go up. And on the right. Cool.
Nice.
Oh, wait. This goes into the ground.
Oh, so
It
go
does?
down and then go to the right.
Oh.
Same way as saying dust.
What?
Attic salt? Oh, okay. I thought it was...
Dust salt? Attic.
Attic salt and dust?
Yeah.
Where's that? I thought you said attic salt.
Oh,
Attic.
They'll probably let us in just, I don't know if they'll let us to the phone. Huh? The iPhone, got the shoe cleaner, got some Adidas. Got my shoes cleaned for free, my boy. Ultimate unboxing. See, all my unboxing videos get like a ton. Like my Harley Benson, it has like 600 views. Both my Harley Benson ones go crazy.
If someone robs something from the store, they just hop on that four
Can you imagine? They'd be zooming on that thing. Dude, my hair. It all went. Oh, here it is. Wait, no, it isn't. Oh, I saw black and chrome. I was like, here it is. Oh, here it is. And the ultimate unboxing video with insane hair. Oh. I'll clip this right here so you can get the nice peel. I can do the case last, I guess. I love these things.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Dude, my Apple Watch had all these everywhere. I was so happy. So, Applebee's Samsung unboxing. Oh my lord, that thing looks sick. That camera bump is chunky as junk. Oh wait.
That's nice.
Dynamic island.
Holy
You can actually see how it's just the camera and then the thing and the software goes in the center.
Yeah.
Bro, the way the light reflects off it. It's just so nice. It looks fake.
The camera bump is so chunky. Do you have your old phone?
Yeah.
You need to do a comparison to the camera bumps.
Take off the case.
Look at that. The camera bump is crazy.
Well, it didn't enhance the camera.
Oh no, the selfie camera now has autofocus.
Wow.
So you can get
Turn
super
it on.
close. Does it have a new animation for the dynamic island?
Let's see.
Can you imagine if they did? Sick.
Dude, I'm so excited.
Oh no. That's just
Who doesn't want one now? Why is the on button so low?
So you can actually click it.
Uh-uh.
It's like the perfect size. It's like perfect size compared to mine. This will be perfect. Now you can set it up so you test the cameras out.
Yeah.
Dude, those cameras are thick. You see that? And the purple. Purple looks so sick.
It does look so good.
Let me touch it.
Like, look, so it looks kind of dark right there, but when
Yeah.
you do that, it just shines.
Or remember what we were saying, they had to do the matte black, or the matte on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, the camera glossy,
Give it.
but I don't mind that.
Yeah.
Give it.
It looks pretty sick.
Alright, unbox the case.
That's right.
And let me touch it.
Be careful. Hey, you see the case? How do you open this? Oh, another one of these things. Oh, that's lame.
If I
It might be like in your case. That camera bump is chunky.
Oh man.
Oh, this one feels better.
That was a nice peel.
This one feels a lot better.
Bruh.
Let me see that, Eli.
That's so nice. But I'd get a camera protector.
Actually. Well, this case.
The only bad part of the shine is getting this.
That's legit.
You just need to throw your wallet on it. You need a purple wallet now.
I know.
I think they make one.
Oh my goodness. It's so
It
much
looks
better.
so cool.
So
And
much
it's not
better.
nearly as chunky.
Hey, turn it off. What does it look like? Turn it off.
Here, look. That is a big difference.
Yeah.
That is a massive difference.
How's it
Massive
feel weight-wise?
I think it's heavier.
Really?
Here.
Well, Eli.
Oh, yeah, I think it might be heavier.
Oh my goodness!
It's
it
the
is.
camera.
It's
But
totally
it's more
heavy.
balanced. It's more
It
balanced.
is more balanced.
And also
for
the
sure.
camera's a lot better.
For
The
sure.
camera's a lot better. It's a lot. It's chunky.
Alright, I need to reboot this to let the phone go off so it switches over.
Hey, wanna hold this while I unbox my Adidas? Also, you got another cable. Non-USB-C cable. Well, it is USB-C cable, but not both.
Nice.
I'll leave that in there for now.
What I would do, I'd wait until the 15th so I can get a stupid USB-C cable.
Well, we don't know if...
Yeah, we don't have any guarantee.
yeah, they have to in Europe, but they thought about doing just MagSafe. Which, if they do...
Because if
So
they
here's...
they want to switch to just nice, it's just
It looks so sick.
lightning.
The purple looks so sick. I know why MFHD has no case though, but I'd protect that thing.
Fingerprints.
I'd rather protect it than see the purple hunt.
Dude, all someone would need to get your
Yes, sir.
is to touch the side.
Yes, sir. Rip. Oh yeah. See the chunkiness out. Voila. I might wear these right now.
I'd wear them.
I'd totally wear them.
But it'd really make nothing on a car trip home.
Actually, well, I'm going to anyways. I need to learn how to do these ties. These ties just look so fancy. What is it called? I don't even know. Yeah, these things are sick.